Today I'm going to tell you how to make snow with these two ingredients. First, you'll need baking soda, and then you'll need juicy green apple conditioner. And then first, you're going to pour all of the vinegar in the bowl. Baking soda, sorry. And you don't need a spoon when you add the apple conditioner. You can use your hands, or if you feel like using a spoon, you can use a spoon. And then what you do is you stick your hands in and just mix it around. It feels like snow. It smells like apple. So you'll get an apple-y scent in your snow. This?
Yeah, you can add more.
Can you add more? And then you add some more of this. Just keep stirring. Probably a minute or 10 minutes maybe? I would stick with like 3 minutes. Just keep rubbing around. But if you feel, I'm just saying, if you feel like it, use a spoon. If you don't want to get all messy.
Keep squishing it until it turns snow.
And it might be green snow. Or it might be white. You're just using conditioner, so it's not dangerous. And then after 3 minutes, you'll probably be done. And you'll get this sticky. But then I would actually
Squish it, mix it.
I would keep stirring just until it's not that squishy. But if it looks like snow to you, then you believe it. So then you'll have kind of like this if you do it a while. Now, and then you're done. And then whatever you want to do with it, you can make like a snowman and place it on a clean surface, like right here. You get a snowman kind of body, like that. And for the other part, and for the very last part, the head. The head is very easy. And there is a little snowman. And you can put anything, like you can get a little branch from outside, and you can get little strawberry cuts. No, I mean little grape cuts for the eyes, and a little carrot shredding for the nose. And if you want to, I'm just saying, if you build your snowman anywhere you want to. And I'll see you next time. Bye.